Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. And today's video we are going to discuss about how to Catechumen JPG, NEF, PDF and other files in Windows 11 and 10. So without wasting our time, let's start the session. How to Catechumen NEF and to JPG PNG and GIF in Windows 10 and 11. Here is an entire ebook to convert our NEF graphic to JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, TIFF and other formats on Windows PC. NEF or Nikon digital format is an uncooked graphic captured by way of a Nikon digital camera. It incorporates unprocessed and aerombolism photograph records that raise their measurement. Now, if you wish to share photographs or lift photographs in a bit size, it is required to transform them to a typical structure like JPG, PNG and so forth. If so, this put up with will help you discover an appropriate formulation to transform your NEF images to different photo codecs like JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, TIF and many others. So allow us to try the methods now. Here is how one can catechumen NEF photos to JPG, PNG or GIF format on home Windows notebook. Exercise a changeless online converter tool to transform NEF to JPG, PNG, GIF and many others. Here are the changeless online tools to convert NEF images to JPG, PNG, GIF and different usual graphic formats. Online Converts is a changeless file advocate tool that you can exhaust to convert NEF to JPG, PNG and different formats. Using it, you can convert NEF photos to JPG and other formats. It also provides you with equipment to personalize photo grade, photo decision, DPI and more parameters before conversion. After that, columnist the select book button to acceptation one or multiple NEF for pictures from a computer, Dropbox or Google Force. Now, the use of the settings options, you could personalize the achievement, graphics, best, picture resolution, color filter, DPI, etc. Changeless online NEF to JPG advocate device. You could batch convert NEF photographs to JPG with the use of the internet service. Listed here are the accomplished to changeless online NEF to JPG advocate device. You could batch convert NEF photographs to JPG with the use of this internet service. Listed here are the accomplished to function the conversion using it. After the exception, one or multiple NEF photos that you just want to catechumen, that you can upload photographs from your local gadget, Google Force and Dropbox. Cloud Convert is a popular online book advocate that also lets you catechumen NEF photos to JPG, PNG and other formats. It's really used to convert codecs of different file varieties together with photographs, documents, audio, videos, ebooks and more, which you could catechumen different raw photographs to a few typical formats. The usage of it. Listed here are the accomplished to transform NEF to JPG, PNG and different formats using Cloud Convert. Afterwards, click on settings to customize resolution and picture quality and take away EXIF council. This internet service also offers equipment to optimize pictures and sees websites. Youngsters, the chargeless plans of this online carrier lets you function the simplest conversions per day. To operate more conversions, you are going to need to purchase its top class plan. One other online device that you can are trying is ConvertU. It lets you catechumen your NEF photographs to JPG, PNG, TIFF, BMP and a lot of different codecs with no bother. Listed below are the steps to convert NEF pictures using it. Subsequent, without difficulty, commence the about face process by using tapping on the catechumen button. It is an extra book advocate that allows you to catechumen uncooked photographs like NEF to PNG, JPG and many others. Raw pics IO, as the name suggests, is a chargeless online raw photographs processing tool that permits you to catechumen NEF to JPG and PNG graphic codecs. Earlier than about face, that you could additionally set parameters like gradient, curves, pedia, temperatures, brightness and so on, that you would be able to comply with the beneath steps to operate the about face. Subsequent, from the larboard Duke face console, click on the retailer all option. Select output image, structure and customize photo decision and best as a result. Here are the chargeless utility that you can use for converting NEF to JPG and different pictures format. Chase's Draw IES is a free accumulation NEF to JPG converter utility for home Windows. It lets you catechumen dissimilar NEF images to JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, altercation and many extra graphic codecs. This application definitely carries these different applications. These applications encompass Chase's Raw IES Artist, Chase's Raw IES Viewer and Chase's Raw IES Advocate. Using its Chase's Raw IES Advocate utility, you could batch catechumen photographs together with NEF and different raw pictures. Here is a way to do that. Subscribe at the folder where you supply NEF photos are existing and columnist the subsequent button. FunView is a noted free photograph viewer and editor that can even be used for changing NEF photos to JPG, PNG, GIF and so on. It offers a dedicated batch advocate characteristics, the use of which you would be able to catechumen numerous NFT photographs to other formats. Let us take a look at how.